Very good morning, students. Welcome back to Science 1 online class. Today, let me explain satellites. An object that revolves around a planet in a stable and consistent orbit is called a satellite. Satellites can be classified into two categories: natural and artificial. All natural objects revolving around a planet are natural satellites. They are also called moons. Most moons are spherical. The ones that are not usually asteroids or meteors that were captured by strong gravity of a planet. All planets except Mercury and Venus in our solar system have moons. Earth has only one moon, whereas planets like Jupiter and Saturn have more than 60 moons. Artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are man-made objects placed in an orbit to rotate around a planet, usually the Earth. The world's first artificial satellite launched was Sputnik 1 by Russia. Aryabhatta was the first satellite launched by India. These satellites are used in television and radio transmission, studying agriculture yield, locating mineral resources, weather forecasting, locate different places on Earth. ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization is the space agency of the Government of India, headquartered in the city of Bangalore. Its vision is to harness space technology for national development while pursuing space science research and planetary exploration. Formed in 1969, ISRO superseded the erstwhile Indian National Committee for Space Research, established in 1962 by the scientist Vikram Sarabhai. The establishment of ISRO thus institutionalized space activities in India. It is managed by the Department of Space, which reports to the Prime Minister of India. ISRO built India's first satellite, Aryabhatta, which was launched by the Soviet Union on 19th April 1975. It was named after the Indian astronomer Aryabhatta. In 1980, Rohini became the first satellite to be placed in orbit by an Indian-made launch vehicle, SLV-3. ISRO subsequently developed two other rockets, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, in short form we can call PSLV, for launching satellites into polar orbits, and the Geosynchronous Satellites Launch Vehicle, in short form we can call GSLV, for placing satellites into geostationary orbits. These rockets have launched numerous communication satellites and Earth observation satellites. Satellite navigation systems like GAGAN and IRNS have been deployed. In January 2014, ISRO used an indigenous cryogenic engine in a GSLV D5 launch of the GSA-T14. ISRO sent a lunar orbiter, Chandrayaan-1, on 22 October 2008 and a Mars orbiter, Mars orbiter mission, on 5th November 2013, which entered Mars orbit on 24th September 2014, making India the first nation to succeed on its first attempt to Mars, and ISRO, the fourth space agency in the world, as well as the first space agency in Asia to reach Mars orbit. On 18th June 2016, ISRO set a record with a launch of 20 satellites in a single payload. On 15th February 2017, ISRO launched 104 satellites in a single rocket, PSLV C-37, and created a world record. ISRO launched its heaviest rocket, geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle Mark 3 GSLV Mk3 on 5th June 2017 and placed a communication satellite GSAT-19 in orbit. With this launch, ISRO became capable of launching 4 heavy satellites. ISRO launched Chandrayaan-2 on July 22, 2019. Geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle GSLV Mk3. It entered the moon's orbit on August 20, 2019, and it's landed on the moon on September 7. I hope everybody understood, students. Thank you.